Welcome to the amazing world of plants. Plants may seem quiet and still, but they're actually busy scientists working day and night. Plants are Earth's oldest magicians. They can turn sunshine into food, send secret messages underground, and some can even catch bugs for dinner. Some plants grow taller than buildings, while others are so tiny you need a magnifying glass to see them. When a seed wakes up, it pushes through soil like a tiny explorer. It knows exactly which way is up, even in complete darkness. As the seed grows, it sends roots down into the soil to drink water and minerals. The tiny shoot pushes upward, breaking through the soil to reach for sunlight. This is called germination, the plant's first big adventure. As it grows, the plant creates its own food through a special process called photosynthesis, a secret recipe that combines sunlight, water, and air. The secret formula is carbon dioxide, Gia1, water, Gia1, sunlight equals sugar, Gia1, oxygen. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen, the opposite of what we do. Some plants have developed amazing traps to catch insects. The Venus flytrap has special trigger hairs that make its trap snap shut when touched. Pitcher plants have slippery sides and sweet nectar that make insects fall into their digestive juices. It's like having a swimming pool filled with stomach acid. Plants also talk to each other through an underground network of roots and fungi called the Wood Wide Web. Through this network, plants share nutrients and even warning signals about dangers like insect attacks. Plants can even recognize their family members and help them by sharing more resources with relatives. From the tallest trees to the smallest moss, plants are nature's code breakers, solving problems and surviving in amazing ways. Next time you see a plant, remember, it's not just sitting there, it's busy decoding the world around it.